Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm your host today, Jake. We're going to look at ZILLIQA ZIL, and we're going to do a bit of a follow-up to the recent videos we've been doing on it, because ZIL has exponentially pumped and it's literally been on fire for the last week or so. So we're up 44.4% now on the weekly market cap, and things are looking pretty good. You know, Bitcoin's chilling at $46,000, which is slowly climbing, and hopefully we're going to catapult up to about $50,000 over the next few weeks. So let's just kind of remind ourselves what's going on in the market at the moment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, guys. So we're not really getting an altcoin season at the moment. We're still in this Bitcoin season, as we can see. And the last time we were here was in August 2021. This is one of the lowest levels we've seen. So it could be a strong time to be accumulating these altcoins, ready for the impulse. What else? We've also got the fear and greed index, so we're pretty neutral right now, and I think it's important that we have this neutral price level with Bitcoin when we're actually higher than we were in May 2021 with more fear, and when we had extreme fear this time round, we also had a higher price level than May 2021, which is also extremely important. So ZILLIQA currently $2.2 billion market cap, rank 62 in the entire space, and you can just see, I mean, look at the size of that big green candle right there, massive, and the wicks on the top here demonstrate a lot of selling pressure, so it doesn't come with surprise when the RSI was screaming around 95. So we can see, you know, 2021 was really good. But since the Metapolis updates and all of the other Web3 integrations with the metaverse for ZILLIQA, big things are happening, and this is why we want to look at ZILLIQA. Is it gonna be a good 2022 gem? Well, so far we were up 300% already in March, so we've had massive gains, and even though we've got a red April, when you look at the grand scheme of things, we're still up massively. We were looking at this project when it was literally just 0.04 not too long ago, and this is what I wanted to look at really, with all these crazy support levels, which we can kind of remove now. And this is it. So ZIL has tried to attempt on pulling off another all-time high. We didn't quite get there. The all-time high is $0.25. We came up to about 0.23, which actually is pretty impressive. If we pull down and look at our market cycle bottom, we came through the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is really impressive. Now, the price target would have been 31 cents up here if we did break through, but we didn't, unfortunately. So what's happened is now we are correcting slightly. If we take our swing low to swing high, we can see we've come just above the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and these retracement levels are likely areas of support after an impulse or after a lot of euphoria thrill. And you know, hopefully we can just bounce off of this 0.156 level, because if we do, we can start looking at the next particular price targets. You know, if we do bounce through, we're looking at 0.25 being the first one at the 1.272 Fibonacci extension. That's where this key area of resistance is, where we had the all-time high in May 2021, where, you know, things were pretty crazy. And that's when we had the last alt season as well. So it does feel like we've got an alt season potentially on the way, and I think if we go into price discovery here for Solana, bust through 0.25, we'll be making our way to the 0.31 level. So it's good we're finding a bit of support, and hopefully we can just hold this particular level. If we look at the 4-hour time frame as well, we did have this falling wedge which turned into a double top, and we lost the support there. We had also quite a big bearish divergence on the relative strength index, so it doesn't look too alarming really. We found support just when we need to, and that's at this swing high here. If we look at the hourly time frame, you'll be able to particularly see this. You see we had lots of consolidation here, so this is a key area of support just along this particular level, and you know, hopefully we can hold this, because if we go below the 0.14, we could effectively come back down to 0.11. So we really got to hold this particular level for ZILLIQA. We're still getting quite a bit of volume, which does look good. I'm just hoping that you know, we don't actually see more continuation to the downside, because we lose the 0.14 level right here, then we'll be coming down to probably the 0.11 level, and also the level up here about 0.135, where we've got this big wick as well, which does write in effectively quite a lot of support. So we'll put that one in as a support level 2, guys. Really, I think ZILLIQA is just something you've got to like hold for a while. It's a project that can shine over the years, and when it's undervalued like it was before when we were sub 30 RSI back a few weeks ago in February, that was a great time to actually buy and eliminate the risk. So I think ZILLIQA, yeah, huge potential if we do break this all-time high in the coming weeks, which I think is very possible. We're above the 200-day moving average, which is this white line. We've got a bull cross, golden cross on our moving average bull market support band, and we're also above the 20-day moving average. So there's lots of things to look out for here for ZILLIQA. First thing first is just holding this 0.14 level, not losing the support and coming down to 0.135, then looking at 0.11, and of course the Fibonacci extension. So if we come through 0.25, that's when we're going to see that price discovery, guys. Hopefully we're going to get some nice things happen. So if you're new here as well, I just want to say thank you very much for viewing. Do hop into the Discord channel. We're going to get more people in here very soon. There's about 200 right now. So yeah, just come say hi, and I'm sure someone will say hi back. Also, huge thanks to the patrons. Just a price of a coffee. New patrons will get access to trading signals, as well as a free ebook, one-on-one messaging, and much more. Just the price of a coffee and perhaps a little cake. So if you like all those things, make sure you subscribe, consider becoming a patron, and see you along the journey. Bye now.